about your particular problem. What was it and how bad was it before you came to see us?
I had a problem that started with my left hand. I had my middle finger bent and not coming back, and it was very painful. And then sometime after, it started on my right hand, this and this one. So I was almost not able to do anything, like cutting stuff, helping my mom get dressed, helping myself get dressed, because I was afraid they would get stuck and not come back, and it's very painful.
Since you came to see us, what impact has it made on your quality of life?
Well, it was amazing. I was able, not at the first time, but during the course of the sessions that I've been doing here and the exercise that I've been taught to do, I was able to regain movement on both of my hands, on all of my fingers, and it helped me a lot, because now I don't depend on anybody to help me or help my mom, which is an old lady, I'm sorry. So I can cut stuff, I can get dressed, I can help her, I can go walk my dog holding the leash, which before I could not, because I could not close my hands, my fingers. So it made a huge impact on my day-to-day life.
Why did you feel as though you had to wait so long? Was it an obstacle, fear, time, uncertain, or any bad experience?
First of all, I had a private situation and with somebody very sick that I had to take care for, and it took me almost 2 years to get to look for help for myself. And I was always afraid of, oh, this is gonna hurt, this is not gonna help me, it's gonna take a while, do I have the time to do that, am I feeling like I'm gonna go and do it, or just try and not following up. So I had my doubts and fears of coming to a therapy session.
And what were you missing out on before you came to see us?
Well, I was missing out on almost everything. Taking care of me, doing stuff for people, relaxing, because I always had that on my mind. Is this gonna get worse? I'm not gonna be able to close my hands at all. How I'm gonna live, how I'm gonna work. You know, day-to-day stuff, you really depend on your hands. You don't think of it when you have the movement on everything. When everything on your body works, you don't think that one day you're gonna be dependent on somebody else to do daily stuff, because you cannot do it yourself. So it was really bad.
Out of all of the things that you enjoyed about coming in, what was the one thing that you liked the best?
Well, the guys here are great. The girls are wonderful. They really take care of you. They really go and help you with your problem specifically. They take their time, you know, to help you to adjust whatever you need. They are like a 911 call. You can call Claudia, you can call Vanessa, you can call anybody, and they are always here to help you. They are my angels. To tell you the truth, you guys you don't know what you are losing if you don't come here to take care of your problems, because you have helping hands, helping angels.
Oh God, Paula, thank you so much. Okay, and if someone was watching this video that was skeptical and unsure about booking, what would you tell them?
Don't waste your time in thinking, am I gonna do it? Is this gonna be painful? Oh, are these guys for sure? You know, you can come here and be certain that you're gonna come out to that door knowing that you had the greatest care, and they're gonna make you work. Whatever ails you, they're gonna take care of it.
And the very last thing is, would you add anything else?
Yes, don't waste your time in thinking. Just come over and get treated.